you have lost a lot of weight, and there are reports that you're doing Hera Fairy 3. Is it that you have lost weight for Hera Fairy 3?
Thanks. You're obsessed. You're more obsessed with my weight than anybody else's. I don't know if I should take that as a compliment. I think it's become a family tradition that you'll talk about our weight, no? No, I've not actually. I'm back to the weight I normally am. People don't really know. I feel awkward talking about all of this, but I did a film last year called Happy New Year, in which Nandu Bhide had a bit of a issue with alcohol. So I didn't want Farah's insisted, no, you have to lose weight. I wanted to look slightly puffy and out of shape because, to give a slight feel that he's very unkept. He's an alcoholic. So, I put on a bit of weight for that. It was just a very minor thing that I wanted to do. After that, I just have come back to my normal size. But thank you. Utha lijiye.
Abhishek, you said that you have the speech ready, right? And inshallah, we hope you win the award this year.
Ma'am, can you just identify the media that you represent?
I'm Kamya, hi from ABP News. The question is that, we want to know, I'm sure everybody does, that what is it that happens once you guys go home with the statue? We guys always hear the speeches on stage, and that is what gets broadcasted on TV. I want to know what you do.
We go home after a very long time.
Yes. So, and you guys.
So if you win a Filmfare, you know that night is going to be very epic. Sure. I still remember when I won my first ever Filmfare, two friends of mine, Fardeen and Goldie Behel, threw a party for me that very night, and we came back in the morning. So yeah, I don't. And if you win a Filmfare, actors don't generally remember how they got home. So so it's a huge cause for celebration. But for me, my Filmfare awards are in my office. Where I work, and I've kept them there symbolically because that's where I do my work, that's where I listen to my scripts, so have my meetings, and it's a great reminder of the expectations that people have of you, so I keep mine over there.
I'll have an extension, to the same question, because there are tons of these statues in your house. Tons is an exaggeration, but there are multiple of those. Papa has them, you have them.
I have 3. Filmfares.
Yes. So
but the elder generation has been a bit of a pro at winning them. So
yes. So collectively, you guys have many at home.
Yeah, we have a few. Yeah.
Yes. So what is the discussion around these statues at home? Like, do you compete? What is the talk about?
Well, I think you'd be a fool if you're going to compete with Amitabh Bachchan. So that's a race you're going to lose for sure. So no. But he's most excited about the awards that I've won, and thankfully my entire family has been present for all the times I won a Filmfare, and it's a moment I wanted to share with them. My father took me to the first ever Filmfare that I had ever gone to, and I was accompanying him, and he won an award. So to have my family around when I win is always special. So no, we don't compete about these things, but yeah, they're all kept there, and like I said, it's a constant reminder.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Where?
This is Harsha from TV9 Marathi.
अच्छा.
सर ऐश्वर्या मैम अभी कम बैक कर रही है और ऐश्वर्या और आपका साथ में परफॉर्मेंस हमें कब देखने को मिलेगा?
फिल्मफेयर के स्टेज पे? ये सवाल आप इनसे पूछ लीजिए. कब मिलेगा भाई? Soon.
और सर बोल बच्चन वाले अभिषेक बच्चन के रोल में हमें अभिषेक बच्चन को कब देखने को मिलेगा?
वो पिक्चर तो बन गई ना मैम. अभी मैं अनलेस रोहित पार्ट 2 बनाना चाहे, लेकिन फिलहाल तो ऐसे कोई डिस्कशंस नहीं चल रहे हैं. बट थैंक यू. आई एम होपिंग यू लाइक्ड इट. अच्छा लगा था आपको?
या सर.
ओके, थैंक यू.
अभिषेक, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फिल्म में शाहरुख खान ने अब्राम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. वी वुड लव टू यू कि आप अगर इंट्रोड्यूस करें आराध्या को, कभी कुछ फिल्म में हो सकता है ऐसा? आराध्या को इंट्रोड्यूस करना.
जी देखिए, वो अभी तो बच्ची है. जब बड़ी होगी, अगर वो एक्टिंग करना चाहे तो इट विल बी एन ऑनर टू हैव इन अ फिल्म, बट बिफोर दैट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स गोइंग टू हैपन.
ओके, अभिषेक,
या
अमित जी को, मतलब अमित जी और आपको साथ में देखना सभी को बहुत पसंद है. तो अब जैसे कि शमिता आपको को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आपका कोई कैमियो हमें देखने मिलेगा इस मूवी में?
जी नहीं.
ओके, इन फ्यूचर कोई फिल्म साथ में फिर से आपकी अमित
अभी तो नहीं है, बट इन शमिता आई हैव डन अ पासिंग शॉट. कैमियो तो नहीं किया. वो शूट कर रहे थे एयरपोर्ट में, and I had just landed from London, so I was passing by and Balki was rolling the camera, so by default I'm in the, sorry, you'll have to tolerate me in Shamitab also. But no cameo, no.
अभिषेक, किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आप ज्यादा बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं ऑन स्टेज इस 60th फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड के लिए?
Jitesh Pillai.
Is he going to perform?
He's the opening act. To see Jitesh dance, he's got some major moves. I've seen Jitesh at one filmfare party actually. You don't forget those visuals very fast. And Jitesh is the opening act. At the head of the red carpet, he'll be performing. So his is the act you're always going to look forward to. And obviously backstage, Annu who's beating up people and all that because she's stressing. Because this presentation has not come in this. So yeah, they both are generally the most entertaining.
अभिषेक, आप स्पोर्ट्स से काफी जुड़े हैं, जैसे कि कबड्डी टीम।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
तो मैं जानना
मुझे पता ही नहीं था यार।
ओके, तो अभी हमारे वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है और युवराज इस बार नहीं खेल रहे हैं और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने हमारे देश के लिए, मतलब इंडिया के लिए विशेष दे वर्ल्ड कप को। और जैसा कि युवराज नहीं खेल रहे हैं तो आपका उस पर क्या रिएक्शन है?
जी देखिए, I don't know cricket very well. I'm a huge supporter of Indian cricket. I'm presuming the team and the selectors know best. As a huge Yuvraj fan, I would have loved to have seen him there. But like I said, it's the selector's job and you have to respect that. They know what they're talking about. And I wish the team all the very best. They've only been a matter of huge pride for every Indian. I still remember exactly where I was on the 2nd of April, 2011 when we won the match, and I had gone absolutely mental when we won, and it was such a moment of great pride for every Indian. And I wish them all the very best. और यही चाहूँगा कि इस बार ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है वर्ल्ड कप, यहाँ भी हम लोग विजय प्राप्त करके वापस आएं, so that we can all celebrate with them.
Members of the media, last 2 questions. Thank you.
हाँ, मैंने बगल में ही है ना, तो इसमें चले जाता हूँ। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है यार, हेलो। I hope it'll be wonderful if I can take time out. I'd like to, but it all depends. I don't know if I can go in the initial stages. I have a bit of time near the semis, but if India qualifies, I'd love to go. Yeah.
Mr. Ali, the question's for you. You know, at the Oscars the last time, we saw some pizza boxes getting circulated. So what is the excitement like when it comes to serving the guests? You know?
Biscuit खाएंगे इस बार और क्या?
So is there going to be like some special recipes that you?
There used to be a time, I think you weren't born then, when at Filmfare, there used to be a goodie bag that used to go around. Okay. On your chair, there used to be it was from where, I don't remember, 1 water bottle, 1 croissant inside, 1 biscuit. This was your picnic because Filmfare those days used to go on for 6-7 hours.
Right, but what
so either khao piyo and then kisko after that. Sure, so this time we'll ask him to give us some biscuits. It's the least they can do for us. So as soon as we're entering, just after Jitesh's mind-blowing performance, you stand there with your goodie hamper and just give one to every actor. Ki agar bhook lage bhaiya to kha lena. It'll be shot on television also. We'll get more promotion. So we can then say, hum log khaye aur Filmfare bhi gaye.
So I'll take Mr. Bachchan's advice.
I think
so
it's a good idea.
There will be some surprise. So please buy a Britannia pack.
Buy?
Participate in Britannia Khao Filmfare Chow and you will see the surprise.
Buy? Media should be giving them for, no?
They will get it free.
They will stand for hours on the red carpet. I think they should also get. I'm going to petition that all the media people also get cookies on the red carpet. Yeah. And something to drink also. You all make any drinks?
Yeah, we have some beverages. We have some milk products.
दूध पियेंगे आप लोग? Shabash. See how much I'm promoting you.
Yes.
My dates are available, by the way. Huh? Brand ambassador बनना है तो मैं बन जाऊंगा, no problem.
Oh, it'll be a pleasure. It'll be a pleasure.
अभिषेक.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, ये जॉन के साथ आपकी दूसरी मूवी है, तो कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
ये दूसरी नहीं, तीसरी है मैम.
सॉरी.
हाँ जी. हमने एक छोटी सी फिल्म की थी, उसका नाम था धूम. हाँ. उसके बाद एक और छोटी सी आर्ट हाउस फिल्म बनाई थी, दोस्ताना. अभी एक बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाने जा रहे हैं हम लोग जी. आज शाम को आप आइए. आई एम इनवाइटिंग यू. हैव यू बीन इनवाइटेड? अच्छा. Who's not invited? Are you invited? Please come, Jitesh. There's an announcement in the evening. So yeah, I'm very excited. I call John Baba. So he's one of my favorite co-stars. And हम लोग बहुत सालों से इस खोज में थे कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिले हम दोनों को, क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि धूम और दोस्ताना के बाद हम एक ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट करें जो हम दोनों को बहुत पसंद आए. And it gives the people that like the jodi of John and myself the scope to do what we do best. So we're very happy with the new script of Hera Pheri 3. Neeraj ji had narrated Hera Pheri 3 to me कुछ 3 साल हो गए अभी. हम लोग बोल बच्चन के सेट्स पे मैम आपको TV9 thank you. On the sets of Bol Bachchan, he narrated the idea to me, so they've been working on it since then. So we're very excited. I spoke to him this morning again, and we have a function in the evening, and I hope to see you there, and then we can answer some more questions about that.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, members of the media, for joining us here today. We'd also like to thank the Leela Mumbai for this lovely afternoon. So I definitely hope that you have a good day ahead.